Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you basically how to change to portrait in Canva. So if you're using a regular Canva, on the free version, unfortunately you won't be able to do that step. But I will demonstrate how it's done for the people who have Canva Pro. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click resize in magical switch, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and resize into the design that you actually want. And then if you want to to select your own to your own size, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here and click custom size. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type something like 8.5 by 11, right? And they will show you a demonstration on how it would look like afterwards. And here it says landscape, portrait, square, and then just go ahead and click get Canva or continue right here instead of get Canva Pro. And basically they will show you the final version of how the page will be turned to a portrait, and then basically gonna confirm that you want that size, and basically that's it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.